सर कैसे कैसे मरेगी वो जो सबसे आसान हो उसको सीढ़ियों से गिरा दो. Hi, this is Avanti
Hi, this is Priyanka.
and welcome to Over Coffee or Wine.
Today we are going to talk about the iconic movie Hum Aapke Hai Kaun.
This movie is celebration. It's one scene, one song, one scene, one song. And that goes on for like 3 hours. And then they get married, they have a baby. And then Renuka Chane, she dies. And she dies falling from a flight of stairs. Which typically a flight of stairs you count, you have one, two, that, but this is one continuous. चल दोनों को add भी कर दिया. 18 stairs रहेगा. And there is carpet on the stairs. Okay. And she rolls from the stairs like this, you see her. And she dies.
No, she doesn't die.
She doesn't immediately die, but she dies as a result of it. Like there's nothing else wrong with her. I remember her head being bandaged and there being one red spot here. Like that's it. Everything else, she looks fine. One red spot on her head. Clearly, these stairs were made out of iron or something like that. And then her sister, who actually is in love with her Devar, her brother-in-law, give up their love because her child needs a mother-like figure. So now her sister is sacrificing all of this love to get married to her husband. And then obviously everything comes out and everybody finally lives happily ever after. Except Bichari Renuka Shani who dies falling from stairs. So that's the plot.
And in case someone has not watched it, that a dog helps in the
Yes.
end. If you think these adults got together and solved a very glaring problem, no, a dog had to intervene. There is trauma in it. Someone's falling downstairs and
Eh,
dying.
That I wouldn't care about because really that is so unrealistic. Someone just falls and dies like that. I mean, I think it's my opinion that it is
Yeah.
unrealistic.
People will get offended.
I know. तेको क्या लगता है स्टेज से गिर के नहीं मरते क्या लोग?
There'll be stats in the comment.
Yeah, I
People have
mean,
died.
people can die falling from stairs if someone is shooting at them simultaneously.
Hey!
Why are we getting into the science of falling from?
Like if, like,
No, I'm saying you roll and udhar kuch hai. Usually chota रहता है ना stair. And you hit your
हाँ.
head and crack your neck or something. This was पूरा ऐसा. It was a mahal
Yes.
and she's just
Open.
coming down.
She didn't have cracked neck. She just had a spot on her head. Yeah.
Avanti, good you're not a doctor because there is something called internal bleeding.
And why it's outside? You can imagine if it's like a concrete staircase which is not padded with carpet. Okay. And she comes falling like this instead of like this. So you know what I mean? If she comes like this and her head goes dup 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 on concrete, I get it. She literally rolled like this. Her full body horizontal rolled like this on carpeted stairs.
In the end, her head probably hit marble, right?
Sure.
So she goes to the hospital and she is trying to tell something to them.
Yes. After she falls from the stairs, I remember there being a scene in which she's in the hospital bed and then everybody is around her and she has the famous bandage with the red dot and she smiles at Salman and Madhuri and then pointing and then she's like and she dies.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know if they feel like she's trying to say something or if they just ignore and छोड़ना है क्या बोल रही है.
I think it was just her moment of, hey, मेरे को पता है you guys are dating. Like,
Yes.
that's all she wanted to do before she died.
What I'm saying is, in that scene, like she's. No doctor is trying to put oxygen mask on her. No one is trying to revive her because this is not a complicated case. She just fell down the stairs.
Suraj Bharjatia apparently took a lot of time to write the script. But I think he doesn't do trauma and all well. He wants everything to be like love, family, dance, song.
Hey!
So he's like hospital wala scene. जो करना है करो तुम. It's too traumatic.
सर कैसे कैसे मरेगी वो जो सबसे आसान हो उसको सीढ़ियों से गिरा दो. So that is the amazing plot of Hum Aapke Hai Kaun, which
Yeah.
at the time when we were 7, I thought was brilliant, right?
Yeah. Really, we had not seen the world, nor did we have any medical expertise. So,
We were like, "Arey," after that, I feel like for some time I was scared of stairs. Like I was
Yeah.
being like, it was a traumatic thing. Ki, "Arey bapre." Like now, if I fall downstairs, I want to die on it directly.
but yeah, it made us believe in a lot of things like love. Like if a
Yes,
dog can be an empire.
we can do anything.
So that was us talking about Hum Ke Hai Kaun.
If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe over coffee or wine. Bye.